Managing your time is important. Why? Because if you don't organize your time well, you can't reach your goals at uni, at work, and in life.
Wow, you're late.
Time is the same for everyone in the world. It's not about how much time you have, it's about how you effectively use your time. So here are my top tips on organizing your time well. It's helpful to know which of your activities are in each of these boxes. For example, in the upper left box, we put things that are both urgent and important, like paying your rent on time so you don't get kicked out of your house, or showing up to the airport to catch your flight, or attending placement so you can pass your course requirements. In the upper right box, we put things that are important but not urgent. For example, investing in your relationships both in your home country and in Australia. Caring for your health, like exercising, eating right, going to health checks. In the lower left box, we put things that are urgent but not important. For example, checking mobile phone notifications and emails, interruptions and distractions like someone interrupting you at work to ask a question, or having an invitation to watch a movie tonight with people you don't know. In the right box, we put things that are not urgent and not important. These are time-wasting activities such as watching cat videos on YouTube, playing Candy Crush on your phone. These activities are to remove from your schedule because hours can be wasted in them. You should look back over the last week and consider how you're spending your time. Then you can plan ahead, write a list of what you need to do and prioritize your time. Make sure that what is urgent and important is given the most generous portion of your time and energy. Most of us have a changing sense of time. When we're enjoying what we're doing, like we are on holidays, time goes quickly. But when we struggle with a task, for example, writing an essay on a boring topic, time seems to stand still. To help us feel time moving forward, use a timer. Setting a timer stops us from spending too much time on a task. If you limit your work time, it can motivate you to concentrate and focus your energy. If you sit down to write an assignment with no time limit, you may take a while to start. But if you give yourself 1 hour, you may be surprised that under time pressure, your concentration increases and your quality of work improves. You may find yourself more productive by spending less time on your work rather than giving it more hours to it. Mark Twain, a famous American writer, once said, "If it's your job to eat a frog, it's best to do it first thing in the morning. And if it's your job to eat 2 frogs, it's best to eat the biggest one first." His point is this: get the most important job done first when you're fresh and ready to work. When you get the big job out of the way and it's finished, you will be able to relax and more comfortably work on other things. So if your to-do list today involves sitting an online test before midnight, doing grocery shopping, and talking to your family back home, guess which job should go first? It takes time to change old habits. If your long-term pattern is to leave important jobs last and watching YouTube cat videos first, it is not easy to develop a good habit. However, you are in Australia to achieve some big goals in your life. So now is a good time to focus on those new goals and establish a new path to your success. Learning skills to manage and organize your time well is very important for you to reach your goals, and we wish you every success in this. If you would like additional support in time management and learning success, you can book to talk with ASP or a CDU counselor.